Hello my dear YouTube friends and welcome again to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to rethread a stripped thread on a cylinder head using this Helicoil. I just got it at the hardware store, the auto parts store for like 60 bucks. Kind of pricey, but I'm gonna leave you the link for something like this on Amazon where you can get it for cheaper. So here we have the screw that I'm gonna be using, and then we have the threads here. Just gonna open it up really quick and get one of these threads and see how they go. Okay, we're just gonna make sure it goes in, so this one fits perfect. And then we also have this little tool here that you will need to put this on. This one will rethread it. So this one is just the rethreading tool that you will use. Here for the mess. See, as a thread that we'll be using on the cylinder head, on the engine. And then this is to punch in the thread here. Okay, so we will need this tool as well. Okay. All right, my friends. So this is the threads that I'm gonna have to redo. I have this one, and I have that one. So these threads I didn't before, but they came off. I only put the insert inside, and it didn't catch really good. And also I didn't have this thread tool. I'm gonna show you guys here. This comes with the kit, so you will need this tool so you can rethread the hole. Okay, so really quick, I am gonna grab this tool and do a rethread job on the engine, on the hole. So I want to show you guys. I don't know if I can get very close, but it's gonna be this one. There we go. So with the thread tool, we have to read like that, and then let me move this out of the way so that you guys can see. And then we can grab one of these, and then all we're gonna do is spin it. Okay, you have to spin it so it thread. Okay, so let's see. So this, I believe it went like this far. Okay. We can even try it again. All right, and now you guys will be using this tool here. So you're gonna grab the coil. Okay, so you're gonna grab your coil and you're gonna insert it here. Actually, you're gonna put it inside the stick that it comes with, like this. Okay, till the end. Okay, now you're gonna put it inside here, and you're gonna make it go till the end. Yeah, so like this, like that. Okay, again, use your branch like that. Let me show you guys, zoom out. and it has to be at the edge like that. See? Now we're gonna insert it. And this can be this is the hard part, because let me see, like that. You have to keep it straight, and then you would go in. So you have to keep it straight as much as possible, and then you would just drive it inside, okay? All right, so it's there. Let me show you guys how it looks like from close. So it's gonna be like this, and now you guys have to break that little tab. Just grab you can grab a screwdriver, like small screwdriver, and just break it off. Let me see, like this. You'll put it there, just like that, and then with your hammer you have to tap it, and that will break off. Let's do that right now, please. Okay, I guess it's broken. Let's see. Okay, so let's see if our screw goes in and out. Let's and I want to show you guys about the tool that we used. Let's see, where did it go? This. So this, you see this little notch here. So this is used so that you can drive this in, and this will lock with a notch like that, just like that, see? And that's what is going to drive this insert in, like that. Okay, now let's put the bolt. Let's make sure it's working. All right, it's perfect. Now let's fix the other one. This one should be easy because we already did one. So again, you put this in like this, all the way till the end. We do have to make the threads with this thread maker. So this comes with the kit. So just have to put it in there. Make sure it's going all the way in. Let's see. Let's get this out of the way. I think everything that can go wrong with this engine went wrong, but I was able to get it to go. If you guys want to see my other videos, I'll show you how to change the timing belt, the timing change, the valves. So you guys can check that out if you wish. Okay, I think we're in all the way. Let's take this out. Just like that, guys. I like to just clean this and then I gonna do it again one last time. Okay, now we'll put this insert. Okay guys, we're there. One more. Okay. And break that little tab again. Okay guys, we are good. Let's try it again. This. Seems like it's going in. And I'm gonna go get a new bolt from the hardware store because this one is pretty much gone. Look at this, guys. Let's try this one for now. And make sure that it's going in. Let's see. Perfect, guys. Okay. Alright guys, so that's how you use this Helicoil thread repair kit, and this one for me was $60, almost 60, which is really expensive, but I had to buy it at the moment. I needed it. I couldn't wait 2 or 3 days from Amazon. But if you guys can wait a few days and you guys want to have a better value with more tools, with more sizes, I will leave the link on the description, down in the description. And the link from Amazon is gonna be it's gonna be around $50. You get all the sizes, you get more tools. There's way more things, and you guys should get that kit instead of this. So I hope you enjoy my video, and if you guys have any questions, if you guys have any questions, please comment down in the comment section and I will reply every comment, and leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.